And today I'll be talking about the latest AI in town, artificial intelligence that has been developed to help especially we that are writers and content creators. This is mind-blowing. I've used this AI and it's been wow. It has made things easier for me. I've been using it creatively. And we are talking about no other thing but the ChatGPT. In this video, I'll be telling you how it can be useful to you. If you're hearing this for the first time, I bet you need to just go to Google, search ChatGPT. It is very easy to use anyways. And I think it's free. I don't know about your country, but here in my country, it is free for now, unless there has been a price fixed for it. I use it for simple scripting. I use it for writing of story and summarizing of story. It does it perfectly. ChatGPT has been helping lives. Yeah, it has been helping lives. So the only thing you need to do is to go to the website, open AI. You have your email, you can sign up, you can create a password and start asking questions and you start getting answers. Start sending commands to ChatGPT and everything will just be going on and on and on and on and on and on. Just trust me, you enjoy this. Maybe we should take a ride and see what ChatGPT is all about. Yeah, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed this ride. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my page, and bye.